Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock a chat on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the chats button down below, which is the fourth option. Select the chat. Tap on the chat name at the top of the screen. Then scroll down until you find the chat lock feature. Click on it, and here you can lock this chat with Touch ID as you tap on this button on the right side, and you will be able to open the chat and read notifications on this phone by using your fingerprints. Click on this button, tap on the button on your phone to use your fingerprints, and here you can see that this chat is now logged. You can find it logged in the chats tab. Tap on view, and here you will be able to find it. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.